wigs, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with a new video, and today I'm featuring my first wig. Big shout out to My First Wig for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look, okay? So today I have a V Part wig. So this is a V Part Yaki textured wig. It mimics Afro relaxed hair, and the length is 20 inches. It is in a natural hair color, which is a 1B off black. The cap size is a 21.5-22. So this is a small cap size, and I think I'm going to start going with small cap sizes for all of my V parts and U parts. If I could choose a side, I'm definitely gonna choose the small because it is perfect. Like, I love the way this fits. I don't have like a whole bunch of extra room. You see when I turn to the side? But I love this wig. It blends really well with my natural hair. So if you stay tuned for the video, I'm going to show you how I install this wig. It is very simple. There are clips inside of this wig along with an adjustable band. So all I did was braid anchor braids. So I have a braid coming down on each side and then going around the front perimeter. That way I can use the clips provided with the wig and clip the wig down here. There are combs on each side, so you can just stick the comb up under the braid. And that's it as far as installing this wig. It did come cut in a layered look in the front, like that 90s angled layered look. I did take a little bit more hair off of it just because I wanted to, you know, I wanted to really show that off. So I did a little bit more as far as cutting. I'm loving this. This looks like my hair. I'm not relaxed. I'm completely natural. But even if you are relaxed or natural, I feel like this is still a really good blend. This is definitely on the top quality, that list there. Yeah, I will have all the links down in the description box, all the details down below. Definitely thumbs this video up if you like this video, and if you want more natural hair leave out type installs, definitely like this video so I know that's what you want to see, so I can get that out to you. But baby, yeah, I love it. Look how it just looks so natural. And you can put it behind your ears like that, and it's still really cute. And it just feels so good. Like, running my fingers through this hair feels amazing. And of course, you can put this in a ponytail if you want. So you're not just stuck with a center part, although the center part is gorgeous. This is just a very natural, can be worn to the office. And then if you pulling up somewhere later for drinks, you can still wear her and just, like, you know, style it. Big shout out to My First Wig for sponsoring today's video. And I will also link another 2 videos from this company here at the end of the video in case you want to see what they have to offer. So I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.